Recursion on string, what does the line return s0 == s-1 and isPal s1-1 do? I am currently going through 6.00.1x with MITs and recursion of string, but the following code really confuses me. This is supposed to tell whether a string is a palindrome, one which reads the same backward as forward, with isPal as a test string I use. The line return s0 == s-1 and isPal s1 column -1 really confuses me. I ran it on Python tutor and it seems that upon running this line the first time, it goes recursively first, i.e. cutting out BCB and C, then as C would be the base case, it returns true and likewise for BCB. Two things I am confused. Why does it go recursively the first time when it runs this line of code? s0 == s-1 should return a boolean value t/f, but this seems to have been ignored till it reaches the base case. So the recursion runs till it reaches the base case that I get, but then the s0 == s-1 doesn't start running only till it reaches here. Why? And how did the syntax of the code instruct the computer to evaluate s0 == s-1 on BCB?
Well, you have to think through this step by step. You pass isPal to isPalindrome. isPalindrome calls isPal tocharses. Tocharses returns isPal, so this is passed to isPal. isPal is called with the argument isPal. Check, is lens equals 1? No, lens is 5. So to else, is s0 == s-1? Yes. If it wasn't, this function would stop right here and return false. But now to the next step. Hope this makes it clearer for you. Edit step 6 does always come before step 7, because Python explicitly goes from left to right in logical expressions. See here. If this does not happen, your interpreter is broken.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.